Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn about history period and eras of English. इसे हम लिटरेरी एजेस भी बोलते हैं, पीरियड को लिटरेरी एजेस भी बोलते हैं. अब इसमें हम देखते हैं मतलब जो भी टाइम पीरियड है और ऑथर्स हैं वो लोग कब आए. तो अप टू 450 के मतलब 450 के पहले के जितने भी एजेस थे उन्हें हम डार्क एज कहते हैं. बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया अबाउट ऑथर and their works. That's why we called it dark age. And after that we are going to in 450 to 1066. ये 1066 को हम यहाँ पे 1066 भी पढ़ सकते हैं, जिसे ओल्ड इंग्लिश और एंग्लो इंग्लिश सेक्शन पीरियड कहते हैं. 1066 to 1500 मिडिल इंग्लिश पीरियड और एंग्लो नॉर्मन पीरियड. एंड Anglo-Norman period 1066 to 1340, the age of Chaucer 1340 to 1400, and 1500 to 1600 the Renaissance or early modern age, and 1485 to 1558 early Tudor period, and 1558 to 1603 Elizabethan age, and 1603 to 1625 Jacobean age, and 1625 to 1649 Caroline age, and 1649 to 1660 Commonwealth period, or we can call it Puratin Intergrams. And 1600 to 1798 the neoclassical period, and 1600 to 1700 the restoration age, and we called it age of Dryden. And 1700 to 1745 the Augustan or the age of Alexander Pope, and 1745 to 1798 the age of sensibility transitional period or age of Dr. Johnson. And after that we are going to learn about 1798 to 1837, that's we called it the romantic period. 1837 to 1901 the Victorian period. 1848 to 1860 the pre-Raphaelites, and 1880 to 1901 aestheticism and decadence, and 1901 to 1945 modern period. 1901 to 1914 the Edwardian period, and 1910 to 1936 the Georgian period, and 1945 till now postmodernism. The first epic poem, that's name is Beowulf. We are going to learn about Anglo-Saxon age in our next video.